but it's absolute.
Good, kid! You're good, kid! Let's lose this heat! Whoa! What the hell was that?
I said I had a score. I didn't say I thought of everything.
Well, you could have thought of something. A car. Everyone in this shithole city's got a car.
Go back to Liberty City, you Irish prick.
You know where we'd be if this guy hadn't come along?
You
Wouldn't
got
be
lucky,
sharing the
buddy.
tape.
Is where we'd be.
We'd be sharing a jail cell. You know, I ran big-time hoods in LC. We took major scores. You can't even handle a drugstore?
Oh, you and your stories. Shut up about LC. Shut up about the bank job, and your family, and your friends. I don't care.
And I thought my crew was dysfunctional. I got a function, unlike this guy. Look, can you just lose this heat?
What's up, fucking snatch? Hey, sorry.
This kid's all right. Drop us around the corner, we'll give you your cup. Hey, look, I know I seem like a hothead and an idiot. I am a hothead and a bit of an idiot, but I work, okay? And I can handle myself. I ran with some big guys in LC, and the only guy I know over here is him. If you ever hear of something, a score that needs bodies, would you think of me?
I hear something like that, sure. I'll mention you.
There's your share, bro. Think of me. Packy McCreary.
Excuse me.
Can't you see I ain't got nothing left, baby, but you. You'll never get it back now. So take me back now. Can't you see I ain't got nothing left, baby, it's true.
Let's listen to some important messages about products I don't want.
You'll never get it back now. So take me back now. Can't you see I ain't got nothing left, baby, but you.
We all care about the environment, some more than others, especially those of us on the west coast. But places thousands of miles away have water that is our birthright. We're San Andreas Water and Power. Without our tireless efforts to keep the water and subsidies flowing, San Andreas could dry up like a woman in her 50s. No green lawns, no swimming pools, no lush golf courses in the desert. Sure, you may have to pay the piper sometime, but let's all work together to make sure it's not just yet. San Andreas Water and Power.
We apologize for discovering this cool music before you did. Radio Mirror Park.
Hey, Michael.
David. Well, isn't this nice? You didn't tell me we were double dating. Sorry, guys. This burning hunk of love is all mine.
Brilliant! Steve Haynes, amigo, but you probably knew that already.
Sorry, your name tag must have fallen off.
Oh, duh. I love it! I gotta remember to write that down. And to shoot you in your head, you annoying dick. Andres, taking notes? This stuff, whoa! Pure magic. I should put it on my show. Have you seen my show?
You mean how to dress like a salesman on a cheap golf weekend at a third-rate country club?
So, well done with our friend, Mr. K.
My pleasure. I love helping our government wage war, especially with itself.
But you made a mistake.
Did I, Cupcake?
Why don't you keep your fucking voice down before I close your fucking windpipe? The joke stopped now, pal. You will You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Let's go. The Bureau owns a lot out in East LS, Covington Supplies off El Rancho. Can you take us there?
Yeah, sure. Sounds nice and secluded. Kind of place you'd run an off-the-books operation, huh?
So what?
So I bet federal ain't on the deed, that's so. And we all like our federal government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Hey, I'm just a puppet. You're the one pulling the strings. Nice car. Taxpayers treating you right.
I need you to make a couple of calls. Get some people on board. First guy is Franklin Clinton.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's fixing up my car.
Call him, or we'll send some G-men to his aunt's house.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, this ain't the best time. I'm kind of busy.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before? It's happening. I need you to come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Oh, you're crazy. I ain't calling him.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking dumb.
Just worry about the plan, okay? Getting Mr. K out of the IAA station. Clinton is going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye on the proceedings. Phillips flies you in, you repel
Best
them.
guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great. And you brought Trevor in. We're telling him I'm all cozy with the F5B.
You'll need discreet support. We'll maintain control of the situation.
Discreet.
Just about to rest. There's a best romances and a twitch of my thoughts. In the darkest night, rising like a fire. In the burning heart.
You know what? You better keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will. See you later.
Making money nailing chicks. K-Passa, huh? Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? No, it's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you.
Hey, T, enough with the faux political bullshit. Franklin, come on, you better take off. Really.
Shit, I'm good. I ain't bailing.
Whoa. What, am I detecting some sort of, son I never had bullshit here, Mikey, huh? Hey, listen, if you want to replace some father figure, you can do a lot better than this fat snake, all right? This fucker would eat his own kids.
Like I said, Franklin, deranged.
Yeah, and best friend.
Exactly. That's Trevor, my best friend. That's Franklin, the son I always wanted. All right, guys, listen, this is the shot. I'm gonna do all the heavy lifting on this job, okay? Trevor, all I need you to do is fly me to the target. Franklin, you're gonna cover me from across the street. We're gonna make these assholes happy, and we're gonna walk away from this thing clean. Got it?
I got you.
All right? And we do this, and they help us bring Brad, right?
Yeah. We'll talk about Brad later, all right? I gotta change. You better grab a head start.
Nice to meet you, homie.
Yeah, whatever.
The government gimp at last.
Bite me.
Let's go.
All right, let's do this thing.
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown. Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises. What happened to dying with a gun? It's the west side we need to be on. Bring us down a little. We're too high, man. Rope ain't long enough.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it. Yeah.
Keep her steady! Keep her steady!
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your tonsils will be playing shadow puppets.
we can't do that, we can. It's in our guidelines.
I don't know what you're talking about. I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
You think you're impenetrable? See how you feel when this is 18 inches deep inside? Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's dry dock him. Who the fuck is this? Terminate him. Close this problem right now.
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief! I'm not finished with Mr. K!
36 flow? I got you.
Don't harm the asset. There's another. Wait. What's happening?
Hey, help!
Don't shoot me.
We got a window, T. Pull us out.
Cut him down, people. No! Shots coming across the street. Don't drop me. Don't drop me.
Relax. Strap on. Hey, why are we just hanging here? There's guys shooting at you, Mikey. That's unfinished business. Clean it up. We'll move on. You damn softy.
Hey, this guy ain't giving me no good angle, dog. You gotta take it.
Help!
This is a bad freaking joke. Stop your whining! You're like a chubby, stubbly, hormonal teenage girl.
Help me, please.
I'm trying, all right?
I'm slipping.
Get us out of here.
Ah! Why me? Why me?
Hey, this room gonna be cleared in no time.
That's it. Get us out of here.
Roger that. Whoa! Looks like we've attracted the attention of their air unit.
You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
Shit!
You're in breach of the U.S. Constitution. Lethal force will be utilized.
Hey, the chopper's down, homie.
Good work. I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the choppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying.
Oh, shit! Shit! I'm gonna fall!
Just strap in, you'll be fine. Land immediately or you're in. Craft will be forcibly grounded.
I'm slipping!
You're good. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
Fuck this! What the fuck is going on?
Beats me, pal. I'm just here to do a job. Woo! Hook you'll land on the freeway. Good work, old-timer. One lap. Ground 'em. Suicide pact. That was about right.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
All good questions. Save 'em for the money man. This the kind of action you were looking for, bud? Okay, T, take us back to the lot. That's affirmative, squadron leader. Hey, Frank, they ain't got their eyes in the sky. You can clear out of there.
Who are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
The Bureau. The FIB. They will make everything okay.
I'm sure. Don't worry. They'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much.